Hi, welcome back again. So today I'm going to explain you about how to create a company into an SAP system, and this is how we log in into the SAP. And as said earlier, it's an end user screen. It's not an implementation screen where you can configure some master data. So here, if you want to configure something and you want to customize something, here you need to go. This is the taskbar, we call it, and we will give a T code SPRO and then press enter. Then click on SAP reference IMG. You are into the main screen. So this is uh, the customizing area where you configure and customize everything. Basically, you create some master data here, and if you see the heading display IMG, it's an implementation guide. So there is a menu path for creating every thing into the system. So if you see these arrows, you have different arrows. So whatever the area you are concerned about, you need to click over there and you can start your configuration. So I need to create an enterprise structure. Creation of company is a part of enterprise structure. I need to click over here. Then I will go to the definition. Then I will go to the financial accounting. And then you see there is a step called define company, right? So here, if you see, this is the documentation. Whatever the documentation is required, you can go through the documentation, that why we require a company and what is the objective and purpose to create a company. You can have the in-depth study through this documentation. But since you want to create a master data, this clock symbol which you are seeing, you can click over here, and here then you have the new entries. You click the new entries, and here you can define. So here you can give alphanumeric characters. Popularly, you can give four letters, four alphabets identically. Let's say I want to create a company which is NPCC. The full name I'm giving National Projects Corporation Construction. You can give in the small as well so that space can be utilized. National Projects Construction Corporation. So this much of explanation this it is accepting, and we have to follow the limit also. Then you can give the street, whatever the street in the real time. Whenever you are implementing a project, you need to give the street, the PO box. You need to give four number of PO box, then postal code you need to give. Then city you need to give any city wherever the location is. Country you can find out in the list over here. So whatever the country of the implementation is, so you need to select India if you are implementing anything in the Indian region. So if I scroll down, I can have this one. So I can select this one, and the language key also English. The currency also, you can find predefined values here. Whatever the currency you are implementing, for a case in India, we will take INR. So this is how we take all the initials. And this is how, when all the inputs you have provided, you need to go over here, either in your system you can put control plus S, or else directly you can save the entry here. So here your company has been created. So you can check your entry also while coming again into this area. Click on position, whatever the company you have created, NBCC, you press enter, you can find out your company over here. So thanks. This is how the companies is created into the SAP. Thank you.